Want to manage restaurant orders and reservations without opening the WordPress admin dashboard? With WPCafe's Restaurant Management Panel, your staff and customers can manage everything directly from the front end. Let's get started. Step 1. First, make sure WPCafe and WooCommerce are installed and activated. Now go to WPCafe Settings, Shortcode. Then find the Restaurant Management Panel section and click Generate Shortcode. After generating the shortcode, copy it. Step 2. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and create a new page, like Restaurant Panel. Paste the shortcode, then publish the page. Step 3. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and click Users. Add new user. Fill in the user information, like name, email, and password. Then set the user role based on their position. After that, check the user's email and copy the login URL. When users open the page, they'll need to log in. Based on their role, they'll see different access options. Customers can view their own orders and reservations. Staff can view all orders and reservations. Managers can fully manage everything. That's how you can manage restaurant orders and reservations from the front end using WPCafe. This helps your team work faster without giving everyone access to the WordPress admin dashboard. Try it on your restaurant website and make order management easier with WPCafe. Thanks for watching.